my body now. Guess die another day. Guess die another day. Guess die another day. Guess die another. I guess I'll die another day. Another day. I'll die another day. Another day. I'll die another day. Another day. I'll die another day. Sigmund Freud. Analyze this. Analyze this. Analyze this. I'm gonna break the cycle. I'm gonna shake up the system. I'm gonna destroy my ego. I'm gonna close my body now. I think I'll find another way. There's so much more to know. I guess I'll die another day. It's not my time to go. For every sin I'll have to pay. I've time to work, I've time to play. I think I'll find another way. It's not my time to go. I'm gonna avoid the cliche. I'm gonna suspend my senses. I'm gonna delay my pleasure. I'm gonna close my body now. Guess I'll die another day. 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 I think I'll find another way. There's so much more to know. I guess I'll die another day. It's not my time to go. We need to lay down.